I have another word for you where the r sound became a l sound in the isiZulu language when this word was borrowed. It is the word Ifolosi. Ifolosi. Do you know the word? Maybe some of the younger people do not know the word, but Ifolosi is the word for an ox that is usually in a team of oxen, but this is the ox that is right in front of the oxen pulling a wagon, and that ox is called Ifolosi. Where does this word come from? It comes from the Afrikaans language, and specifically from the word vooros. Vooros. The vooros, or the vooros, is the ox that is right in front of this team of oxen pulling a wagon. And this word, vooros, was adopted into the isiZulu language, but the R was dropped, the R sound, and it became an L, Ifolosi. But now, to illustrate the creativity of isiZulu speakers, they not only adopted this word Ifolosi into the isiZulu language, they also turned this noun into a verb. Ukwenzani, to do what? Ukufolosa. Ukufolosa. Now this word, very often during when there is voting or there is an election, you will hear this word again. So even in this year, look out for the word ukufolosa in the isiZulu language. And it's very often when the leaders of a certain this or that political party are presented to the people, they will lead. But it is presenting the new leaders so that the people will see the leaders who will be leading them. And this word folosa comes from the word that was borrowed, Ifolosi, which was borrowed from Afrikaans. Vooros, strong animal that would pull the wagon in olden times.